right, last question for today. What is the fraction of the parts that are not shaded? There's that little tricky word, not again, okay? So let's pay super close attention to that. I'm looking for the fraction of the parts that are not shaded. Well, first, what do we need to figure out first? This is what I've been doing. I have to figure out something first. What do I need to figure out first? My numerator or my denominator? We're going to figure out our denominator first, and our denominator is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 parts in your whole, and they're all the same size, so that's going to be our denominator. And then I want the parts that are not shaded. So I want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces or 5 circles that are not shaded, okay? Now, we're gonna circle our correct answer so we don't get confused in a second, but then I'm gonna go over something else. So 5/8 are shaded, so the correct answer here is letter C. Now, do they have the fraction of parts that are shaded? Are those one of your answer choices? That is one of your answer choices. What fraction of pieces is shaded? Your denominator is 8. My mouse is acting weird. Your denominator is 8, and then how many pieces are shaded? 3 are shaded, and 3/8 is an answer choice, okay? Why did they throw in 3/5? Because you have 3 pieces that are shaded and 5 pieces that are not shaded, okay? Same thing with 5/3. You have 5 pieces that are shaded and 5 pieces that aren't shaded and 3 pieces that are shaded. But remember, when you're doing your fractions, I want you to find your denominator first and then the number of pieces that it's looking for, and that's going to really help you get the correct answer.